friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript top 40 one-liners that every developer must know. These code snippets that I'm sharing as part of this series will help you become better developer by improving your logic. These use cases that I'm showing are helpful in almost every project that you work on. So let's get started with today's episode. This is part 16 of the series. Today we are learning how to capitalize every word in a sentence. So the input to us will be a sentence and the output expected is every word's first character should be capitalized. Alright, so let's go ahead and attempt this and see how we can write better code. So I'm creating a new file here, js40 part 16.html. Alright, dot type HTML head section and then body, right, and script tag. So now the input to us will be a sentence, so it can be welcome to. Now the expected output is that every first character of the sentence should be uppercase, right? So let's go ahead and write a method. What it will do is it would just, let's say, capitalize first character. Okay, that's the name of the function. The input will be param. Basically what it would do is, once you do that, first thing you'll do is sentence dot split, and we'll split them with a thing that with every space what we'll do is split it and then map it. Now when we do map, that means it would give us each word separately, and you can take that individually, and you can take the each word individually, and what we can do is word dot char at. So that way I'm taking the first instance, and that is the first character, and I'm going to pipe it and say to uppercase. Once you are done with that, I will then do word dot slice. That means I'll delete the first one and then join with a thing. Okay, so let's see how this looks okay so to me so far, unless we, okay, no, so this should be here, right? Because we should join it here and then join it with space. Alright, so the logic is pretty simple. First I'm splitting with the space, so I'll get an array of each words, and then for each of the words I'm using map method, and I'll get each word. Then I'm taking the char at 0, that means the first character. I'm making it uppercase. I'm joining it, but before I join, what I'm doing is I am slicing that word. Okay, so what will happen is it would give me rest everything except the first character, and then last thing I'll do is to join them back. Okay, so let's run this test and see how it looks, and through this I'll pass this sentence, and yeah, that should be good. Let's check it out. These are all the questions oftenly asked in interviews for to check your logic. So make sure that you go through each one of them. So now you see W, T is capital, A is capital, and T is capital. So that way you can take any sentence, lowercase JavaScript. So now this should also become uppercase. So see, J has become uppercase. So these are commonly asked interview questions also, but at the same time you will know how to pipe things, multiple things, how to work with them when you go through such code snippets, right? This was one of the, I think I would say, not exactly one liner, but again it goes on to show you that how you can pipe multiple things and do joins, etc. I hope it's interesting use case. I hope you will be able to crack it. Let's continue this series and continue our learning. Please do hit that like button if you are enjoying this series, and also maybe a nice comment to encourage me. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.